White blood cells are crucial for fighting off infections and keeping us healthy. However, sometimes our bodies may not have enough of these essential cells to effectively defend against pathogens or illnesses. Fortunately, there are several foods that can help stimulate the production of white blood cells, potentially enhancing our immune system's ability to protect us from harm. In today's video, we will explore 8 powerful foods that can help increase white blood cell counts and support overall immune health. Number 1, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are highly astringent in nature, which means they help in increasing the number of white blood cells in the body. This is due to their high vitamin C content, which plays a crucial role in immune system function. Vitamin C supports the growth and development of white blood cells, particularly lymphocytes, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. In fact, studies have shown that people with higher vitamin C levels tend to have better immune function and are less likely to develop common illnesses like colds and flu. Additionally, citrus fruits also contain other essential nutrients and compounds, such as flavonoids and essential oils, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that further support immune health. These nutrients work together to strengthen the body's natural defenses and help keep it protected against harmful pathogens. Overall, incorporating citrus fruits into one's diet can be an easy and effective way to support white blood cell production and improve overall immune function. Number 2, garlic. Garlic is a common ingredient used in many dishes around the world. But did you know that it can also help increase white blood cells? This pungent bulb is a member of the onion family and has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its distinctive odor and flavor. Allicin has been shown to stimulate the immune system and increase the activity of white blood cells, which are key components of the immune system. Studies have shown that garlic supplements can help boost the number of white blood cells in the body, leading to improved immune function. Additionally, garlic also contains other nutrients and compounds that support immune health, such as vitamin C, selenium, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of garlic can help strengthen the body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. So next time you're cooking a meal, add some garlic to help give your immune system a little extra support. Number 3, bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only colorful and crunchy, but they are also packed with nutrients that can help support white blood cell function. 1 cup of chopped bell peppers provides a significant amount of vitamin C, which, as we know, is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, particularly lymphocytes, which play a crucial role in fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, bell peppers also contain other essential nutrients such as vitamin A, which supports immune cell differentiation, and function, and folate, which helps maintain the health of the gut and overall digestive system. The combination of these nutrients can help boost the body's natural defenses and improve its ability to fight off harmful pathogens. Moreover, bell peppers are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to any diet. Whether you prefer them raw or cooked, adding bell peppers to your meals can be an easy and delicious way to support white blood cell production and enhance your immune system's effectiveness. Number 4, spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with essential nutrients that can help support white blood cell production. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides a significant amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for the growth and development of white blood cells. Additionally, spinach is also rich in other essential nutrients, such as vitamin A, which supports immune cell differentiation and function, and folate, which helps maintain the health of the gut and overall digestive system. Spinach also contains several antioxidants, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and support overall immune function. Furthermore, spinach is a good source of iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. This can help improve the function of white blood cells, which rely on oxygen to carry out their functions effectively. Incorporating spinach into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support white blood cell production and enhance your body's natural defenses. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy immune system. These fatty acids help support the production and function of white blood cells, which are key components of the immune system. Omega-3 fatty acids also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and support overall immune function. Additionally, salmon is also a good source of protein, which is necessary for the growth and development of new cells, including white blood cells. It is also rich in vitamin D, which has been shown to support immune health and reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases. Including salmon in your diet can be an easy and effective way to support white blood cell production and enhance your body's natural defenses. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to supporting white blood cell production. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can help boost the immune system and keep the body healthy. One of the key nutrients found in nuts and seeds is zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in the growth and development of white blood cells. It helps stimulate the production of lymphocytes, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that can help protect the body against oxidative stress and support overall immune function. Additionally, nuts and seeds also contain other essential nutrients such as healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help support the body's natural defenses and promote overall health. Some of the best nuts and seeds for boosting white blood cell production include almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Incorporating these into your diet can be an easy and delicious way to support your immune system and keep your body healthy. Number 7. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains compounds such as gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties can help support immune function and potentially enhance white blood cell production. By reducing inflammation in the body, ginger can create an environment that is more conducive to the growth and development of white blood cells. Additionally, ginger also contains other nutrients and compounds that support immune health, such as vitamin C, which helps stimulate the production of white blood cells. Studies have shown that ginger extracts can help boost the activity of immune cells, leading to improved immune function. Regular consumption of ginger can help strengthen the body's natural defenses and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to support immune function and potentially enhance white blood cell production. It does this by reducing inflammation in the body and protecting the body against oxidative stress. Additionally, turmeric also contains other compounds that support immune health, such as vitamin C and essential oils. Studies have shown that curcumin supplements can help boost the activity of immune cells, leading to improved immune function. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be an easy and effective way to support white blood cell production and enhance your body's natural defenses. In conclusion, maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for our overall health and well-being. And as we have seen, certain foods can play a significant role in supporting immune function and potentially increasing white blood cell counts. From citrus fruits and garlic to bell peppers, spinach, and fatty fish, incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help boost your body's natural defenses and keep you healthy. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family.